Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best AirPod Pro Dust Guard is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for anyone who cherishes their AirPods Pro, as it provides a crucial layer of defense against the insidious buildup of dust and debris that can accumulate within the charging case and on the speaker mesh, potentially compromising sound quality and the overall longevity of your premium earbuds. This seemingly simple addition can make a significant difference in maintaining the pristine condition of your AirPods Pro, ensuring they continue to deliver the exceptional audio experience you expect and deserve, all while keeping them looking as good as new. Number 5. MOBOSI AirPods Pro 2 Case with Lock. Introducing the ultimate protective case for your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Designed for a perfect fit, it ensures your earbuds stay secure and protected. Enjoy hassle-free charging with full compatibility for both wired and wireless charging options. The LED indicator remains visible, keeping you informed without removing the case. Never worry about losing your earbuds again. Our secure locking mechanism keeps your AirPods Pro 2 firmly in place, even when dropped, while the spring lock allows for easy access. Built with military-grade resistant PC material, this case offers unparalleled protection against scratches, bumps, and drops. Its upgraded sealed design ensures complete defense. This multifunctional case comes complete with a portable keychain, carabiner, and a cleaning kit. It's durable, convenient, and designed to meet all your carrying and maintenance needs. Your package includes the protective case, a carabiner, a cleaning kit, a removal tool, and a manual. Everything you need for optimal use and maintenance. What we like. This case offers a secure locking mechanism to prevent accidental drops. It boasts military-grade protection for ultimate durability. If you prioritize security and ruggedness for your AirPods Pro 2, this is a solid choice. What people say. The dust guard is very thin and does not affect the closing of the AirPods Pro case. It perfectly covers the AirPods Pro speaker grills, preventing dust and debris from entering. Installation is straightforward and the guard stays in place securely. Number 4. MOBOSI AirPods Pro 2 Case with Lock. Introducing the ultimate protective case for your earbuds. It offers robust security with a locking mechanism to keep your device safe and sound. This case is designed for a perfect fit with your earbuds, supporting both wireless and wired charging without any hassle. The LED indicator remains visible for your convenience. Never worry about losing your earbuds again. Our secure locking design ensures they stay put, even if dropped, while the spring lock allows for easy access. Constructed with military-grade PC material, this case provides comprehensive protection against scratches, bumps, and drops. Its upgraded structure ensures a completely sealed and connected design. This multifunctional case comes with a cleaning kit, a portable keychain, and a secure lock clip. It's durable, convenient, and safe for everyday use. You'll receive the case, a carabiner, a cleaning kit, a removal tool, and a manual. Everything you need for optimal use and maintenance is right here. What we like. This option features MagSafe compatibility for convenient wireless charging. It also includes a secure locking design and a cleaning kit. If you use MagSafe charging and want peace of mind against drops, this case is ideal for you. What people say. Very durable clip works flawless. I'll clip it on my bag at work and never falls off. Also the latch on the side is helpful so if you drop them the AirPods don't go flying. Such a good case, very nice that it locks. I have to put on harnesses for work and my old case which was rubber would come open and drop my AirPods from 30 feet in the air. These are nice, durable and thick, never really comes undone, and a carabiner better than others hasn't broke. Case fits AirPods Pro 2's nice and snug. Case also comes with a carabiner clip that is great for clipping the case to your belt loop or a backpack. Number 3. Hagibis Multifunction Cleaning Pen for AirPods. Discover the ultimate cleaning solution for your AirPods. This versatile tool is designed to keep your earbuds and their case pristine. Featuring a unique separated dual-head design, it effortlessly tackles various cleaning needs. One end is for delicate dust, while the other handles tougher grime. The soft flocking sponge gently cleans dust from the wireless charging case. It ensures no particle is left behind, maintaining hygiene. Easily clean dirt from the sound outlet holes and other hard-to-reach areas. This brush ensures your earbuds sound as clear as they look. For stubborn dust and tight gaps, the metal pen tip provides thorough cleaning. It reaches into every crevice for a complete clean. Designed with an embedded handle for comfortable use. Its exquisite craftsmanship ensures a pleasant and effective cleaning experience. What we like. This is a dedicated cleaning tool designed for your earbuds and case. Its multifunctional design with a brush, sponge, and metal tip tackles dust and grime effectively. If keeping your AirPods pristine is your main concern, this cleaning pen is a must-have. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to clean every nook and cranny of the AirPods Pro, from the speakers to the charging case. The inclusion of a cleaning pen with a fine tip and a soft sponge head is a game changer for dealing with more stubborn dirt and earwax in the earbuds crevices. The compact size of the kit makes it easy to carry around, allowing me to clean my AirPods Pro on the go. Number 2. Valkit Military Case for AirPods Pro 2. Introducing the ultimate defense for your earbuds. This rugged case is engineered for complete shockproof protection against drops and scratches. Never worry about accidental openings again. Our secure lock clip design ensures your earbuds stay safely enclosed at all times. Carry your earbuds with ease. The integrated metal keychain clip attaches securely to your backpack or belt, so you'll never lose them. Enjoy uninterrupted charging. This case supports both wired and wireless charging, and the front LED indicator remains visible. Everything you need is included. You'll receive the protective case, a carabiner, a cleaner pen, spare adhesive tape, and a storage bag. Specifically designed for your Apple AirPods Pro, this case offers a perfect fit and robust protection for your device. What we like. This case provides full shockproof protection with a military-grade build. It features a secure lock clip to keep your AirPods safe. If you're looking for a rugged, no-nonsense case with a secure closure and easy portability, this one is a great pick. What people say. The carbon fiber texture not only adds a touch of style to my AirPods Pro but also provides a reliable grip, preventing accidental slips and ensuring the safety of my earbuds. The lock clip is a game changer for anyone who's constantly on the move. It securely fastens to my bag, belt loop, or pocket, ensuring that my AirPods Pro are always within reach. The case itself is very solid yet also flexes as the corners to absorb shock. Number 1. AirPods Pro 2nd First Gen Replacement Ear Tips with Cleaner Kit. These replacement ear tips are designed for a seamless fit with both the first and second generation of AirPods Pro, including the USB-C charging case model. Featuring dual noise reduction holes, these tips help maintain the superior noise-canceling capabilities of your original earbuds. Each ear tip comes with a built-in dust guard screen, ensuring your earbuds stay clean and perform optimally, even during workouts. Crafted from soft, high-quality silicone, these ear tips offer a lightweight feel for exceptional comfort throughout the day. With 4 sizes included, XS, S, M, L, you can find the perfect fit for every member of your family. This kit also includes a versatile cleaning pen with a metal tip and a soft brush, perfect for keeping your earbuds and other digital devices pristine. What we like. These replacement ear tips focus on enhancing your listening experience with noise reduction holes and a built-in dust guard. They come in multiple sizes for a perfect fit and include a cleaning pen. If you want to maintain the original noise-canceling quality and keep your earbuds clean, these are the tips for you. What people say. Built-in dust guards, and a cleaner kit to ensure that no bit of dust or earwax stands between you and perfect sound quality. Noise reduction hole for superior sound quality and better noise isolation. Comes with a cleaner kit, because cleaning your ear tips is probably more fun than cleaning your house. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.